Hey folks, today we're going to be looking at mapping your HubSpot form into Revenue Hero and how do we identify the key IDs we need to map in your form mapping settings. Right? So let's quickly navigate to the inbound, click on forms and click on add a new form. Here you'll be asked to name the form, add the form selector ID, as well as mapping the particular fields that you're going to be using for routing, right? So let's figure out how to find out the form ID and the form field names inside of HubSpot. Right? For the form ID, you'd see in the form settings in the URL, you'd see that from 700 all the way to B over here. You need to just copy that, paste it under the form ID, and we need to add a prefix over here, which is HS form underscore with a capital F. Now we have added our form ID. We just need to map our form fields and we're good to go. How do we find that out? So if we click on any of these form fields here, you will see under contact property name, the first name highlighted in lowercase and no space, right? And this would be the same for, the last name field if you're also going to looking to map that here, right? And every other form field that you would see would always be in lower space and have some underscores in between them if like the title is too long, right? Like this, for example, you can just simply copy paste it over there if you're going to be using it for routing. Lastly, this is going to be mapping the email field over here. Map that, and that's pretty much it. We just need to name our form, HubSpot form, and not sure. Well, anyway, uh, once that is done, we can click on save and you have successfully mapped your HubSpot form into Revenue Hero. Now you can simply just add this form when you're creating in your router without having to go through the same process of mapping it, right? Right in the router creation process. Yep.